Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about trigonometric ratios for 0 degree and 90 degree. These both concepts are some complicated. Please listen carefully. First we take for 0 degree. For this we should be take a right angle triangle ABC in which angle B equal to 90 degree. So AC will be the hypotenuse, AB will be perpendicular base and BC will be perpendicular. But there is no any angle in this triangle is 0 degree. If you want to find the value of angle A is 90 degree, so what will be happen? If angle A equal to 0 degree, then BC tends to 0. That means this angle will be 0 degree when BC, length of BC will be 0. That means C coincide at the B. That is C should be coincide at B, and then AC will be equal to AB. If C comes at B, then AC comes at AB and length of AC and AB will be equal. Now we know that, now we will take sine of 0 degree. Sine of 0 means value of A, means angle A is equal to 0 degree. Then what will be happen? Sine 0 degree equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. If this angle is 0, then what will be happen? This angle is 0, so BC will be 0. I write here BC tends to 0. That means perpendicular is the 0 and base is the AB. As you want to 0 divided by any number, this will be 0. That means sine 0 equal to 0. And on the same way, cos of 0 degree equal to base upon hypotenuse. That means if this angle equal to 0, then BC will be 0 and AC will be equal to AB. That means AB upon AC. But if I write here angle A equal to 0, then BC equal to 0 and AB equal to AC, both are same, then this will be AB upon AB equal to 1. Now we take tan 0 degree equal to perpendicular upon base. That means in this equation, if angle A equal to 0, then BC equal to 0 and AB equal to AC. In this situation, then this will be perpendicular. Perpendicular means BC and BC is the 0. So this will be 0 upon base B. B means AB equal to 0. That means sine 0 equal to 0 degree, sine 0 degree equal to 0, cos 0 degree equal to 1, tan 0 degree equal to 0. Now we can write easily the value of 0 degree of the reciprocal of this function as cosec 0 equal to reciprocal of sine 0. Reciprocal of 0 is 1 by 0 equal to infinite, and this sign is read as infinite or not defined. Sec of 0 equal to reciprocal of cos of 0, that means reciprocal of 1 is also 1. Cot of 0, that means reciprocal of tan of 0, and reciprocal of 0 is also infinite. Now here we have find sin 0, cos 0, tan 0, cosec 0, sec 0 and cot 0. For the 90 degree, in the same, I write this here, that is C should be coincide at B, and remove this from here. Now for 90 degree, now in this situation we want to make angle A is equal to 90 degree. We should be find angle A equal to 90 degree. When this will be possible? If A coincide at B, if A coincide at B, then angle A equal to 90 degree and AB equal to 0 and BC equal to CA. This will, both sides will be equal. Now in this situation we can find the trigonometric ratios for 90 degree. Now take first sine of 90. Sine of 90 means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. In this situation, perpendicular is the BC and hypotenuse is the AC. In this situation, BC and AC both are equal here. So this will be BC upon AC, AC equal to, since both are equal, so we can write BC equal to, BC upon BC equal to 1. Cos of 90 equal to base upon hypotenuse equal to, in this situation, base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. You can see here, base means AB is 0 degree, 0 and AC is the AC. So 0 divided by any number is 0. Now tan of 90 equal to perpendicular upon base equal to perpendicular means BC and base means AB. Perpendicular BC upon AB. You can see here BC will be BC, but AB is the 0. So this will be 0. Then this will be infinite. Any number divided by, you remember always, if any number divided by 0, then result will be always infinite. Now in this situation, you can we have find sin 90, cos 90 and tan 90. Now similarly we can find the cosec of 90. Cosec 90 means reciprocal of sin 90. This will be 1. Sec of 90 means reciprocal of cos 90. That means 1 upon 0 equal to not defined. And reciprocal of tan of 90, cot of 90. Cot of 90 equal to reciprocal of tan of 90. And tan of 90 means what will be reciprocal? 0 upon BC. This will be 0. Now in the next video, we will summarize the all trigonometric ratios as 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree.